you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and speed up the game. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your loading times. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Minecraft. If your hardware is outdated, consider upgrading your RAM graphics card or processor. Step 2. Update Java. Make sure you have the latest version of Java installed, as Minecraft relies on it to run. Visit the official Java website to download and install the latest version. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and disable smooth lighting to reduce the load on your system. Step 4. Allocate more RAM. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to allocate more memory, e.g. XMX12G for 2GB. Step 5. Clear cache and reinstall. If the problem persists, clear the game cache or reinstall Minecraft. Deleting the game files and reinstalling can resolve corrupted files that may be causing the loading issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy a smoother Minecraft experience. If problems continue, consider seeking help from the Minecraft community or forums for additional support.